In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave comments in Figma. Figma is a dynamic and collaborative interface design tool popular among designers and teams for its user-friendly environment and real-time collaboration features. First, let's get started by heading to Figma's main website. You can do this by opening your preferred browser and typing in figma.com. Once the page loads, you should see the option to log in prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on the Login button. If you're not logged in already, enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. Upon successful login, you will be directed to Figma's homepage. This is essentially your hub where you can view all your projects and access design files. You'll notice a range of options on the left-hand side, but today, our focus will be on navigating to the design section. Hover your mouse over the options and find the design option, then click on it. This will take you into design mode, where you've got a whole suite of tools at your disposal for working on and managing your projects. Once inside the design section, directing your attention to the top right corner of the interface, you should spot a small comment icon. This icon looks a bit like a thought bubble or speech balloon, and it's your gateway to the comment feature in Figma. Clicking on this icon will enable comment mode. Now you're ready to start leaving comments. This feature is incredible for offering feedback, sharing ideas, or simply leaving notes on particular elements within your design. Now, simply hover over any part of your design where you want to leave a comment. Left click and a small dialog box will appear, prompting you to type your comment. Type in your message. Remember, clarity is key, especially when working collaboratively. After typing your comment, hit the post button and voila, your comment will now appear for everyone to see. Anyone with access to the design file can now interact with your comment. They can reply, react, or resolve it once the issue has been addressed. Adding comments directly onto your designs enables streamlined communication, especially within teams. It minimizes back and forth emails or messages, and is essential for maintaining context, particularly for fast-paced projects. With these simple steps, you can enhance your collaborative efforts in Figma, ensuring you and your team are always on the same page. Whether you're critiquing work, making suggestions, or documenting ideas, the comment feature in Figma is there to support efficient and effective teamwork. And there you have it, that's how you leave comments in Figma. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging design tools. Thanks for watching.